Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today we're going to go over 10 different warm-up drills that you can do before you start your Taekwondo training. Now let's get started.
Choose your character. Player 1. Time. Player 2. Level 1.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. All of these drills that we did, you can do either up and down the floor or you can do it in place, just depending on the amount of space that you have. Also, big thank you to X Marshall for sending me these awesome leggings that I wore in this video. They have a bunch of different stuff on their website, from rash guards, leggings, boxing gloves, all kinds of MMA stuff. If you're interested in getting some new stuff, you can use my code AlexWongTKD for 10% off their website. I will link it in the description box down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.